you better not move or else those bombs will go off. Rush. Flashbang out. Move. Clear the premises. Check the pulse.
He's out. Okay.
Is he okay?
We have to be careful.
Okay, I'm untying him.
His pulse is good. He's awake. He's clear. What are we gonna do about the bomb?
Untie my left arm, please.
Cut. There's a pink wire.
Thanks.
Pink wire.
Okay. We have to cut the pink wire.
Cut it between the fuse and the ignition.
Where's the fuse?
Right around here.
Do it carefully, dude. Do it carefully. No.
Oh, you almost broke it.
Oh God, one more, dude.
Cut it, damn it.
One more.
There we
Yes.
go.
You're clear.
Take the bomb off.
Thank
Rush
you.
him out of the house. Go.
Go.